Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of January, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.95. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently sits in the lower region of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent opportunity for buying. If the lower trend floor at $6.31 is breached, this may indicate a slower pace of increase and could also serve as an early alert for a potential shift in trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 261.72% over the next 3 months, with a projected return between 154.97% and 781.50%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 36.23% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from negative 68.32% to 206.70%. This would translate to a price range between $2.84 and $27.45 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing, Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, moving between $6.56 and $8.97. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price gained nearly 48% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, rising from $6.05 to $8.95. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by about 37%, with a low of $6.56 and a high of $8.97. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by nearly 48% during this period. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 158 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 340 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is about 58%, or $12.47, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding Rigetti Computing, with the stock symbol RGTI, have created a tumultuous landscape for investors. In a critical assessment, Aswath Damodaran, a finance professor at New York University, emphasized that the quantum computing sector currently lacks a viable business model. This insight adds to the skepticism fueled by Meta's CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who recently stated that quantum technology is still years away from practical application. His comments have had immediate repercussions, contributing to a significant drop in quantum computing stocks, including RGTI, which fell nearly 29% during the recent downturn. Amid this uncertainty, however, RGTI and other quantum stocks have seen a slight recovery today, indicating a potential for investor momentum to shift. Additionally, Braunstein, Gewirtz & Grossman LLC is investigating Rigetti, which could signal trust issues among investors, sparking further scrutiny and potentially impacting share prices. In the short term, volatility appears inevitable as market sentiment reacts to conflicting views on quantum computing's viability. Long term, Rigetti's prospects remain heavily contingent on overcoming technological hurdles and establishing a definitive business framework. Investors should weigh these factors carefully as they navigate the increasingly complex landscape of quantum computing finance. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 28th of March, 2023, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of September, 2022, it was reported that Benchmark assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The stock of Rigetti Computing Inc. currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $12.98. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $8.77. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, the volume of shares traded is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, and since then, the stock has dropped by 55.25%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a sell 8 days ago. Bollinger signaled a buy 61 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a sell 5 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average signaled a sell 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 61 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 54 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.43 and $7.47. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this instance, Rigetti Computing Inc. has support just below today's level at $8.43. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.47 and $7.38. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.41 between its high and low, representing a change of 36.74%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 32.58%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $10.04. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.43. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of December, 2024, Johnson Rayot executed an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. On the same day, Johnson Rayot also executed an insider sale of 98,373 shares of stock options, which is the right to buy. On the 10th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 9th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. conducted another sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. again sold 125,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.062. In total, insiders purchased 7,940,549 shares and sold 4,456,636 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.41, reflecting a decrease of 6.02%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a substantial level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 7 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this may be a favorable time to consider purchasing. There is a reasonable expectation that Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock could perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our assessment from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 15th of January, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by approximately 79 cents, beginning at $8.16. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.